Want to get fit in the new year? Don't know where to start? They say it takes 21 days to create a new habit. Whether it's to start moving more, start moving again, or even just moving into a better mindset. Join us on our 21-day challenge. Work on creating new habits, stay consistent, get in the best shape of your life, and feel amazing. All workouts are beginner-friendly for all levels and can be done from anywhere with minimal equipment. Make this year your most fit yet.
What is up, cool cats? Today is day 18. Oh my God, you are so close. And today's workout, you're gonna be literally on the mat most of the time. I'm not gonna get you standing because it is day 18 Pilates ab sculpt. I seriously love this workout to strengthen and define my core. We're gonna get started with the warm up on the ground. All you need is your body. That's it. Water, body, and mat. Let's do this. I'm gonna take my sunglasses up so I can see your beautiful faces. So, lying down your mat, we're gonna start with a basic crunch. So take your hands behind your head and you're gonna make sure that they're interlaced and they're kind of cupping the back of your head. And your toes and your feet are down on the mat. And we're gonna start with a really nice and slow crunch. So you're gonna inhale up, exhale down. Take your time here. Inhale up, exhale down. We are just waking up those abs. Inhale up, exhale down. Two more. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. The next move you're gonna do is take your hands and bring your thighs right into the palms of your hands. We're gonna do a dead bug. What I want you to do is to press your thighs into your palms as much as you can so you're really firing up that core and that belly button is drawing down towards the mat. Hold it, hold it, hold it, squeeze. If I were to come to grab your feet right now, I wouldn't be able to pull on them because they are pressing into the hands that much. You got 3, 2, and 1. Let's go back to that basic slow crunch. For 5, for 4, for 3, 2, and 1. Back to your dead bug. Last time here. So really press those thighs into the palms of those hands. My body is like shaking because I'm pressing in so hard. I could feel my abdominal wall really firing up. 10 seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. From there, we're gonna go back into that crunch, but we're gonna add a little pulse at the top. So you're gonna go 1, a little bit higher, back down. So it's like crunch, crunch up, back down. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Crunch, crunch up, back down. So it's a 3-point crunch. 2, 3. And always breathe here. Exhale. 10 seconds. You got 3. We're gonna hold it at the top and crunch in 2 and 1. Just hold and pulse and crunch for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, my abs are feeling the burn. Hug those knees into the chest and massage the lower back out. Give the abs a little second to take a breather. From there, you're gonna extend the left leg out and bring the right knee into the chest, and we're gonna go back to those crunches, so just like this. So we'll go for a 10 count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Take the left leg down. We're gonna stay on the right side. You're gonna bring your left elbow to your right knee, so cross body crunch. This is really great for your obliques here as well, on the left side and on the right side. So I'm reaching across and I'm breathing. Good, same thing for 10 count. You got 7 left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last move here on this right side before we switch. You're gonna lift your leg up in the air, bend that bottom leg, and you're gonna reach for your toe. Just like that. Let's go. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Hug your knees into your chest. Good job. Woo, it's hot over here. I'm enjoying the sunshine. All right, let's get right to the left side. So you know exactly what to do. That's 30 reps. So extend that right leg out, left knee into the chest, and let's crunch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, stay strong, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Put that right leg down and let's go into that cross body knee crunch. So left knee to right elbow, peeling that right shoulder blade off of your mat. So you're really going into that cross body movement. You got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Last move. Lift the left leg up. Let's go for those toe taps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Come on. Get it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! All right, hug your knees into your chest. Give your abs a little break for a second. We're gonna do 3 different movements that are a little bit faster, and then I'm gonna flip you over for our plank series. So your 3 different moves are nice and fast. You're gonna go into a cross body toe tap as fast as you can. You're gonna go into bicycles as fast as you can, and then V-ups as fast as you can. All right, let's go for those cross body toe taps. In 3, 2, 1. Let's speed things up a little bit. Let's get that heart pumping. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, yes, 2, 1. Bicycles, go. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Speed it up. I know your abs are burning. I feel you. Mine are too. 10, 3, 2, 1. All right, this is a harder move, so if you're not ready for this one, you can do just a sit-up, so halfway. Otherwise, you're coming into that V-up. 10. Ooh, this one burns. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, that is a burn. Let's roll over. Stretch out those abs. Come onto your belly. Roll your shoulders back and push into child's pose. All right, let's get into our plank series. So we're gonna do a bilateral to unilateral, so meaning both sides of the body to one side of the body for this sequence. So what you're gonna do is come to a plank, and nice and slow, you're gonna go into a really slow, controlled climber. So I'm squeezing those abs, okay? Let's start there. In 3, 2, and 1, go. Breathing, pushing that mat away with my hands, really engaging through the core. For 10, for 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. We're gonna take it to the left side. So come down to your forearms, and just on the left side, you're gonna reach for your elbow and then extend. Let's do 10 reps, just like we did with those abs. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. If this is too much for you, just hold your plank. 5. Never wrong to practice your plank form. 4, 3, 2, and time. Good. Let's go into side plank. So we're staying in the left side oblique. You're gonna kickstand your right leg back, lift your left leg up, and you're gonna kick that leg up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Last move on this side. On your butt cheek, we're gonna go into mermaids. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Take a break. We're gonna go right to the other side. So, down onto your forearms, obliques, in 3, 2, and 1, right side. Let that elbow reach, or that knee reach that elbow for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, great job. I'm gonna roll over. So you'll see the back leg better now. I'm gonna kickstand that back foot, lift it up, and then kick that leg up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. All right, let's finish off this side. We got that mermaid. So crunch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, here is our finisher. So like we did with our abs lying down, we're gonna do 3 moves, double time to get that heart rate up, and this workout is over. So move number 1, you're gonna do a plank jack. Move number 2, you're gonna do mountain climber. Move number 3, you're gonna do hip dips, and that is it for those abs. And trust me, you're gonna be like screaming because they're gonna be on fire. All right, let's go into those jacks in 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, climbers, go. 10, come on, push it, so close to the finish line. 3, 2, 1, bring it down. Work those obliques. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh man, that was tough, but in the best way. Stretch out those abs, cobra stretch. Going into child's, taking any back pain or any, not pain, but any pressure. You should never feel pain. If you do, then you should consult with your doctor about any back pain. But if there's pressure, sometimes you need a little release with stretches like these. So child's pose, cobras. A lot of the yoga movements really help for back. Awesome, and then come back to tabletop. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, up. And exhale, round. Good job. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's Pilates ab sculpt. Make sure you comment below, let me know what you thought, and subscribe to our channel and like this video. Please have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow.